Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Stabilitrak on Gmc Yukon. Start by securing the vehicle and disconnecting the battery to prevent shocks. Scan the system with an OBD2 reader and record fault codes related to ABS or steering angle sensors. Systematically inspect sensors, wires, and connectors for damage or corrosion, then test components and clear codes. Finish with a careful road test to confirm Stabilitrak is operating correctly. Begin by interpreting OBD2 codes calmly and methodically so you don't replace parts unnecessarily. Check live data for wheel speed sensors and steering angle values while spinning wheels or turning the steering wheel slightly. Compare sensor readings side to side and note any erratic or missing signals. If codes point to wiring or connectors, inspect those first since repairs are usually cheaper than sensor replacements. Clear codes only after confirming the fault is fixed. Start with the simplest repairs. Clean sensors and connectors, then recheck codes to see if the warning clears. Replace any visibly damaged wheel speed sensors only after confirming wiring integrity. If steering angle calibration is off, perform a recalibration using a scan tool or follow vehicle-specific procedures. Replacing modules is a last resort when diagnostics prove the ECU is faulty. After repairs, clear codes and do a careful test drive to verify Stabilitrak functions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.